Welcome back to Trending Cars, and today we are taking you inside one of the most futuristic motorhomes ever built, the 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome. Nissan has combined advanced technology, modern design, and premium comfort to create a motorhome that feels less like an RV and more like a moving luxury suite. Whether you're traveling across the country or setting up camp by the mountains, this motorhome is designed to make the journey feel as first class as the destination. When you first look at the exterior, it's clear Nissan has pushed design boundaries. The front end is bold with a wide V-motion-inspired grille, seamlessly integrated LED lighting, and sharp contours that make it look closer to a luxury SUV than a traditional motorhome. The aerodynamic body not only enhances its modern look, but also helps improve road efficiency, something rarely seen in vehicles of this size. The sides are crafted with smooth panels and chrome accents, while the massive tinted panoramic windows stretch along the length of the motorhome, giving it a futuristic presence. The roof comes equipped with solar panels that provide auxiliary power, perfect for off-grid adventures, and the automatic retractable awning adds a touch of convenience for outdoor setups. Step inside, and the interior feels like a high-end hotel suite on wheels. The cabin is designed with premium materials, from soft leather seating to wood and brushed aluminum accents. As you enter, you're welcomed into a spacious lounge area with reclining captain chairs and a smart entertainment system. The lighting is fully customizable with ambient LED strips that can be adjusted according to mood. A large smart display at the front controls navigation, entertainment, and climate settings, all voice-activated for hands. Free convenience. The living area transforms into multiple configurations, with a fold-out sofa that doubles as a bed, a retractable dining table, and storage spaces cleverly hidden throughout the cabin. Moving further in, the kitchen comes fully equipped with induction cooktops, a convection microwave, a smart refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher, making long trips more practical. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome, with a standing shower, premium fixtures, and eco-friendly water recycling technology. The bedroom is where the first-class name truly lives up. It features a queen-sized bed with memory foam, dual climate zones for ultimate comfort, and even a skylight above for stargazing at night. Everything is controlled by Nissan Smart Home integration, meaning you can adjust lighting, blinds, or entertainment right from your phone or through built-in voice commands. Performance-wise, the 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It comes powered by Nissan's advanced hybrid powertrain, combining a V6 gasoline engine with dual electric motors, delivering smooth acceleration while keeping fuel efficiency surprisingly good for its size. The motorhome also offers all-wheel drive, which means it can handle a variety of terrains, from highways to mountain trails. The suspension system is adaptive, ensuring that bumps and rough roads don't disturb the ride. On top of that, Nissan's ProPilot Assist is integrated, bringing semi-autonomous driving capabilities, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, making long-distance travel less tiring. One of the biggest highlights is the energy management system. The solar panels on the roof work in sync with the hybrid battery, allowing extended off-grid living without needing to constantly refuel or recharge. For tech-savvy travelers, the motorhome also features multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging stations, and even a satellite internet system to keep you connected, no matter where your journey takes you. Now let's talk pricing. The 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome comes in multiple trims, starting at around $210,000 for the base model. Higher-end versions with premium packages, advanced solar tech, and luxury interiors can go up to $280,000. While this may sound like a big investment, it's aimed at travelers who want comfort, innovation, and durability, all rolled into one. Compared to traditional RV, this Nissan offering feels far more futuristic and is clearly designed for a new generation of explorers who don't want to compromise on luxury. So, the 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its futuristic exterior, luxurious interior, hybrid performance, and advanced features, it redefines what a motorhome can be. If you're someone who dreams of traveling without leaving behind the comfort of modern living, this could be the perfect choice. That's it for today's in-depth review of the 2027 Nissan First-Class Motorhome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trending Cars for more detailed reviews of the latest cars and motorhomes hitting the market.